In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay at Sam's Club. Let's dive into the process and help you make the most of this convenient payment option. First things first, head over to the Afterpay website. This is where you'll start your journey to using buy now, pay later services at Sam's Club. Afterpay is a popular platform that allows you to purchase items and pay for them over time, making it easier to manage your budget while still getting the products you need. Now, once you're on the Afterpay site, look for the section dedicated to Sam's Club. This will guide you to all the relevant offers and promotions that are currently available. It's important to review these offers so you can maximize the benefits of using Afterpay at Sam's Club. Keep in mind, Sam's Club is known for its great deals, and coupling them with Afterpay's payment flexibility can offer you an excellent shopping experience. Next, you'll want to download the Afterpay app if you haven't already. This app is available on both iOS and Android, and it's your key to unlocking a seamless shopping experience. Once downloaded, open the app and use the search bar to find Sam's Club. By doing this, you'll see a plethora of products that are eligible for Afterpay, making it easy for you to start building your shopping list. After you've browsed the available items, it's time to shop at Sam's Club. Open the Sam's Club store within the app and start adding items to your cart. Whether you're stocking up on groceries, investing in new electronics, or snagging some home essentials, make sure to choose items that qualify for Afterpay so you can take advantage of this flexible payment option. Once your shopping is done, it's time to check out using Afterpay. During checkout, select Afterpay as your payment method. You'll then be prompted to choose your preferred payment schedule. You have options to tailor repayments to your personal finances, whether you prefer to pay off your purchase in weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly installments. Using Afterpay can be advantageous as it allows you to get what you need without immediate financial pressure. You're able to pick a payment schedule that's convenient for you, and as long as you make your payments on time, there are absolutely no late fees. This can really help with managing your financial planning and ensure you avoid unexpected penalties. To sum up, shopping at Sam's Club using Afterpay is a straightforward process that provides significant flexibility. By utilizing this service, you can manage your spending more effectively, get the products you need, and pay on a schedule that suits your lifestyle. Happy shopping, and make sure to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most of your spending at various retailers.